Every mother's breastfeeding journey is different. Some days are easy, and some days require a little extra help. That is where breast pumps play an important role, supporting mothers, protecting milk supply, and making feeding more flexible for the whole family. Moments shared during feeding can become a time of rest, reflection, and emotional bonding, especially in the early weeks after birth when adjustment can be challenging. For working mothers, breastfeeding can still be possible with the right support and planning. Expressing and storing breast milk allows babies to continue receiving the benefits of breast milk even when the mother is away. Supportive workplace policies, such as maternal sucking rhythm of a baby, helping release milk without discomfort. Moms use pumps for many reasons: work, school. Hey, I'm Mary. Breastfeeding is also closely linked to maternal mental health. Many mothers report feeling calmer and more emotionally. In today's video, we explore how breast pumps work, why they matter, and how you can use them safely and confidently. Safety pin: what a breast pump actually